This is obviously a titanium card. It's just a piece of metal. Apple Card. What is it, how it works, how do you apply, and what are some of the key features and benefits? In this video, I will tell you all of that. Coming right up. What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. Today we are talking about Apple Card, what it is, how it works, how do you apply for one, and what are some of the key features and benefits. But first, if you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for coming back for yet another tech video. And if this is the first time you're stopping by and you enjoy content like this, please consider subscribing and leave a comment down below. So what is Apple Card? Apple Card is Apple's new credit card. Well, sort of. It's technically a MasterCard offered through Goldman Sachs, and it has interest rate ranges anywhere from 13% to 24%. And it's embedded into Apple's ecosystem that you will be able to use it with Apple Pay. It also offers cashback ranges anywhere from 1, 2, or 3%. I have done another video talking about Apple Pay, Apple Cash, and Apple Card, so you can understand the terminology and difference between all three of them. I will put a link right above here so you can check that out as well. Let me start by saying this. This is an actual credit card, and it comes with all the good, the bad, and the ugly that a credit card can come with. To begin with, there will be a hard inquiry on your credit in order for you to get approved when you want to apply for this card. Also, being late on it or when you want to close your account, all those can technically impact your credit score, including your credit utilization and how much balance you're going to carry on this credit card. So financially, this will impact you just like any other credit cards out there. So how do you apply for one? All you need to do is go to your wallet app, and then you should see the plus icon. You can just go ahead and hit that and then fill out the information, including your name, address, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your social security number. Sometimes they may ask for some additional information such as your full social or even an image of your driver's license or some other documents in order for you to be fully approved. Most people will get the results back instantly and will be able to use Apple Card right away through Apple Pay, wherever Apple Pay is accepted, in an app, online, or in person. In order to apply, you need to have at least iOS 12.4, and since August 20th, 2019, it's available in the US. So here I have FedEx envelope that is my titanium Apple Card in it. I have not opened it up. I figured I'd just do it on the camera. But before I get to this, I want to tell you about the cashback that this card offers. So you get 1% cashback whenever you use your physical titanium card. You get 2% cashback whenever you use Apple Card through Apple Pay in all merchants, in person or online. And you get 3% cashback when you buy anything from Apple or through Apple. For example, Apple Store, online or in person, or all the subscriptions that you pay for, such as Netflix or HBO or whatever else you may have. As long as it's done through iTunes or App Store using your Apple Card, then you will get 3% cashback. Let me move the camera up. So I just went ahead, did the full unboxing of the card. I realized I did not press the record button, so I can't show you how I activated the card, but I just want to show you briefly. It comes in this cardboard box to protect it. You get this white thick envelope, and when you open it up, you have your Apple Card inside. The way you would activate it is you would just wake your iPhone and then you tap this area and you can activate your card. As a matter of fact, I'm getting an alert. It says card already activated. The card is very simple. In front, you have the etched Apple logo as well as your name and a chip. And in the back, you have Goldman Sachs logo and MasterCard with the magnetic strip. This is all you get, no numbers on it at all. As a matter of fact, the number associated with this is available through the wallet app. I'll show you in a minute. But for whatever reason, if you are purchasing something online and you feel that maybe the number is compromised, you can go ahead and request a new number through their 24/7 online support system. This is obviously a titanium card. It's just a piece of metal. I've been using Apple Card through Apple Pay, not the physical card, but through my phone and my watch for the past about 10 or 11 days. And I'm gonna walk you guys through all the features and benefits of the Apple Card through the Wallet app. When you launch the Wallet app, you will see your Apple Card with different colors on the card. And each of those colors represents a different types of spending, so you have an idea how your card is being utilized. So when you open that up, you'll be presented with different tiles, and each of them you can drill into to get more information. So first you can see your total balance, and you can see the available balance. You can see your monthly activities, you can see your payment due date, and it gives you an option to pay early, as well as your latest transactions. This makes it very easy to see where you are spending your money and exactly where those locations are. Also, it shows you the eligible cashback that each of these transactions will get you, which, by the way, is a daily cashback, not monthly, and will be placed into your Apple Cash, and you can start spending it right away. Now let's try to drill into some of these tiles. So when we go through the total balance, it tells me what my August balance is, new spendings, and how much payments I have made. It tells me how much daily cash I have earned, and then you have the option to look at your August statements. So in August, out of $700, about $47 I spent, I got a little over $11 daily cash back. You also have the option to download the PDF statement. Going back, looking at your monthly activities, at the top, it gives you an option to change it to weekly. So when you look at your weekly activities, you can see during this 1 week that you're looking at how much daily cash you received and what type of transactions did you have. So it groups them together. So services, shoppings, and food and drink. And you can open up each of the merchants to trying to see how many transactions. For example, I went to Chipotle once and 3 times to McDonald's. Don't judge me. When you go to the payment due date or pay early option, this is where you've seen some of these features, probably online or on TV. So here it gives me an option to trying to pay the entire balance or trying to pay down the balance. But as I move around the circle, it changes color anywhere from red to green, yellow, and then green, and then blue. And it will show how much interest I will end up paying. And this is where Apple's transparency come in place. They want to encourage you to pay down your interest as fast as you can. Look, at the end of the day, they are not a non-profit organizations. They still want to make money, but at least they give you all the information so you can make an informed decision. And then finally, let's try to drill into some of these transactions. So if I open up, let's say Express, it shows exactly what I paid, how much daily cash I got, and where that location is on the map, and I can go ahead directly contact the merchant if I need to. Now let's try to get into the settings because there's a lot more that I want to show you guys. So you click on the 3 little dots on the top right, and this is where you can contact support 24/7 through Messages app, which is absolutely fantastic. You can go ahead schedule payments. If you want, you can tap on card information and you'll be able to see the regular card information, such as a security code on the back of the card, the expiration date, the card number itself. So if you're shopping online and they don't accept Apple Pay, you can just plug those numbers right in and use your Apple Card. Here you can lock your card, you can request replacement card, and there are also additional benefits you get being a MasterCard customer. So when you click on View Network Benefits, it will take you to MasterCard's benefits page, and here has a list of different free benefits that come with this card being a MasterCard. So this is an overview of most of the features and benefits of this card. At the end of the day, what do I think about this credit card? Well, when you compare it just as a credit card to everything else that is available out there, it's nothing to get excited about because there's some other cards out there with lower interest rate and maybe with more cashback and benefits. What are some of the things that make this unique? Number one, it has no fees, no annual fees, no late fees, no penalties, or no hidden fees. And the fact that it's embedded into Apple's ecosystem, it just makes using it such a breeze and very easy to use. And with some of the transparency features around paying down your interest or your balance, that is also an added benefits and feature. Now, each of these features and benefits by their own is actually available and offered through some of the other banks. But the fact that you collectively get them together and the process of applying for it, receiving it, using it, paying for it, and understanding how using this is just all so simple, just like many other Apple features in their Apple ecosystem. At the end of the day, I cannot make a recommendation for you to get one because that is a personal financial decision. I encourage you to be responsible, whatever you decide to do. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to give me some comment whether you like this video or not. If you have not subscribed yet and you enjoy tech content like this, please remember to subscribe and let me know what you think about the card. Do you have one? Do you think you're gonna get one? Or what questions do you have? And I'll see you in the next one.